Hi and welcome to Mini Models. Today we got something a little special. Got a package. It looks like a box of goodies in the post office box from Sean at Guitarded and Broke. And so let's check out what's in it. Let's see what we got in here. I'm excited. We got some bags from Walgreens. This one's Walmart. Walgreens, Walmart. Not the same company. You might be interested to know. All right. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I can see there's some stuff under there. I'm gonna leave this bag in the way. I'm gonna draw things out like one at a time, just to keep the suspense up, so you don't see a bunch of stuff under there. What do we got here? We have, wow, a really nice looking. Oh, keep it on the camera, silly. '69 Camaro SS RS 350. And that is from the Auto Project series from M2. Wow. It's funny, I've known so many people that had cars like this. I grew up back in the day where, so usually they'd have like the back end way jacked up and some janky looking Keystone or Krager rims on it. Alright, so let's move on to the next thing. What do we got? We got mystery models. Okay. Let's, you know what, I'm gonna open this, but I'm gonna open it after we see what else is in here. Something red, I see. Nice looking Porsche 914-6. That 914 was the poor man's Porsche, but not the 6. The 6 is the rare performance beast. That's nice, thanks man. Wow, I feel like it's Christmas. I'm all giddy and stuff. Oh, there's some paper towel type stuff. I see a blister over here. Let's get this blister out of here. What do we got? Oh, yeah, of course. Befittingly, we got a Roger Dodger. Let's take that blister protector off there. Let's see the blister. Oh, it's one of those that folds at the side. I was expecting it to fold at the top. All right. Man, that's a neat color. Lime green. Roger Dodger Neo Classic Series. Yeah. It's a little stat card on the back here. That is sharp. Something white over here. What do we got here? We got, oh wow. That is cool. Yeah, it's got the, like the serial number on it, like the album. The Beatles, the White Album Highway Hauler. That is just, wow. It's funny, I've seen these in the store. I think I've even seen that one. But I have not seen this one. That is just, that is too cool. I didn't even really know that existed. White Real Riders, that's cool. We got here a Lamborghini Countach. Nice. Well detailed too. Love that. From looking at what's in the series, I'd say this is by far the best one in the bunch. Okay, I think we're at the papers. We are. Okay, so let's start unrolling here. Stegosaurus? Yeah. Wow. I'm gonna put that on the shelf behind the Legion of Weirdos backdrop. My daughters will get a kick of that. Every time the kids come in and they look at stuff in the office on the shelves, every time there's something new, they're fascinated with that. We'll see how long it takes them to realize that Stegosaurus is there. And another. What we got here? Ooh, wow. Look at that, 57. Oh, man. That is sharp. Let's see if we can get that. I'm always tentative with the hoods on these things. That opened pretty easily. I can't see it. I'm too old. I tried looking at it under better light, but I can't. I think it's Johnny Lightning. I'm not really sure what brand it is. It kind of feels a little more solid than an M2. M2s are really well detailed, but this is a little. This feels a little more like a Hot Wheels car than an M2 does. Which is why I was thinking Johnny Lightning. I don't think it's Matchbox based on the bottom of it. But I will look that up and we'll see what it definitely is. Put it on the screen or something. See if there's a coffin in the back, but I don't see. What do we have in this one? Do, 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 do. Oh man, that is sharp. Moon eyes, Chevrolet pickup truck. The doors open. Once again, like I say, I'm always tentative with this kinds of things. I don't want to break something when I open, but yeah. Nice. And the hood. Man, thanks. I'm like, I got that like feeling in your stomach like when you meet new friends in kindergarten or something. So let's see what we got here. Oh wow. He's different on either side. Here's the smiley Shatner, here's the serious Shatner. And then if you could look inside here, you would see the Shatner making it with the green lady. Love the wheels on that one. That's pretty cool. You can see the engine in the sunroof there. That's pretty cool. That is cool. Easter 2013, Olds 442. It's another one I don't think I've seen before. I love the color on that. Especially with the black top just kind of sets it off. I mean, already you got kind of that nice looking salmon pink, but you top it off with the black. All right, let's open another one of these rolls. I get like tingles every one I unroll. It's like this excitement, like you're getting ready to go into a amusement park ride. Ah, it's the mate for the other Steggy. Where is it? There we go. Oh, that is cool. See, now what's gonna happen is, we got a wheel variation here. What's gonna happen is when the girls come out and they see these, they're gonna see there's two and they're gonna be racing them on the floor. I know that for sure. Looking at their faces, and I know they're made from the same mold, but they almost look like they got different facial expressions. Oh yeah, and the Countach. This one with that, or Countach? I don't know. I know we pretty much all say it wrong in the US of A. This one being the kind without the big spoiler wing on the back. Lamborghini. On my main channel, I even did a video about how we mispronounce car names, and I still mispronounce this, I'm sure. I can't remember how I said we were supposed to pronounce that. And another. Wow. I feel like I hit the Powerball. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Another project car. Doors open on this one. Yep. Getting ready to start and get the hood open. My thumbnail makes a terrible spudger. Let's do this. There we go. I'm getting ready to start working on some dioramas, and I think this would be perfect for one of the dioramas. Barn find, car for sale in the yard kind of dioramas. Oh yeah. El Camino. I like the Matchbox wheels. I think those are, they look nice on just about everything they put them on. I love the color on that. It's really well done, that color. I just detail in those taillights. They're asking for that red marker. Wow, thank you. Two more. Let's see what we got. And then I will, I'm gonna open that M2 for sure. I'll open the Mystery Models one when we get over there. Like hold music. Oh wow, a red line. Now I've really hit the jackpot. Nice. Once again, my thumbnail makes a terrible spudger. Spudger, for you people that don't work on your own phones and computers, is a device that you use to open things softly. Nice. Thank you muchly. That is cool. And lastly, but I'm sure not leastly, what have we got? Oh, a Mars rover. Oh yeah. I tell my daughter all the time about the robots on Mars. In fact, the first time as an adult that I collected Hot Wheels, back in the 90s, I had the Mars rover set when it came out. That's going on the shelf too. That'll be, for those of you who watch my main channel or when I do the intros on the set from this, you could look for this and see it among the monkey with the sunglasses and the clowns and the Pablo Escobars and the... That is quite the little care package there. Thank you muchly. I am like over the moon. This is way freaking cool. Now let's lay it all out. This just is this is not something I've seen in person. This is mind-blowing. How cool this looks. All right, check that out. Oh yeah, and the White Album. Way freaking cool, man. I don't know what I did to deserve this, but thank you very much. And now let's open this one. I know I could have looked at the number and, you know, told what it was and all that, but it's more fun to not know ahead of time. So let's open this sucker up. Oh, it's a tumbler. I think that's what you call it. The Batman car, the tumbler. Yep. Once again, thank you, Sean from Guitarded and Broke. I'm just, yeah, over the moon, giddy. Let's open this this Matchbox while we're here. I'm gonna take a close look at that. I'm so good with blister packs. That's why I'm doing it off screen, because my daughter laughs at me every time I try to open a blister pack. So I am old enough to remember when you could buy super fast Matchbox cars in the box. I used to go to the drugstore, and he had a display under his counter, and all the cars were sitting on top of the box like that, and you could pull one out and look at it and decide whether you wanted it, and if you wanted it, he pulled a new one out from underneath that was still in the box and gave you that. Okay, let's take a closer look at this thing. Detailed wheels there, the tampos are really sweetly done. I like me some painted taillights. Get a closer look at this M2 too while we're in there. Yeah? Pretty much looks like every GM muscle car in my high school parking lot. I might just display this sucker in the card. I'm definitely displaying the Beatles one in the card. Hello, Lambo. Whoops. See, this is what always happens to me. This is what my daughter laughs at when I open a blister like that. Lamborghini from the Lambo set, the Countach. I wonder how that would be on the track. One of these days I'm gonna get an actual track and run some of these cars. That is one sweet little addition to the collection there, man. Thank you so much. I'm like super grateful, over the moon. Just wow. Hope the rest of you enjoyed watching this little unboxing project, and check out Guitarded and Broke. I'll link him in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay weird and stay out of the comfort zones.